United Plugins has released the free Hyperspace Core Reverb plugin. And this one is as much a functional reverb tool for your bread and butter type of reverbs as it is a creative reverb. There's a lot to tweak and there are features in this free plugin that even paid reverbs don't have. But first check this next piece of music I got via vocalfy.com.
Always the same. I guess we can all understand. Maybe we're all just part of some big plan. Just like lightning strikes in the sky, I saw you there, but then you fade from sight. So hold on.
I have used Hyperspace Core here, and let me bypass the plugin.
You, me, maybe it was meant to be.
Yeah, it's on the lead vocal, and on this particular song it really fills the space in a cool way.
Oh, yeah, always the same. I guess we can all understand. Maybe we're all just part of some big plan. Just like lightning strikes in the sky, I saw you there, but then.
This is more of a creative type of usage, but also your bread and butter type of reverbs are very much possible with this plugin. The variety and impact the normal reverb sounds can have on a dry recording is pretty massive. Check this acoustic guitar. Of all the controls you get with this plugin, I want to highlight a few, but not all. There's the XY pad, which is the most important part of the plugin. With this you can morph all delay times, internal routings and frequency ranges, with the choice of 3 modes. I would suggest you just play around with this to get the best sounding result.
It's a 7:15 in the morning, getting started. 'Cause I'm crazy for you, so don't leave me broken hearted. Don't go stand down again, stand Don't go stand down again, stand It's a 7:15 in the morning, getting started.
This XY pad can be automated. It's great if you want some unique modulation happening.
Don't go stand down again, stand Don't go stand.
Resonate is cool, it generates metallic sounding resonances in the reverb. Inertia will extend the tail of the reverb even more. With this you can get into soundscapes and drone type of sounds.
Time keeps on moving way too fast. It makes me want you oh so bad. I keep memories locked away. When someone gets too close, I hesitate. Why does it hurt? 'Cause I was just one night you had my head, never said goodbye.
Seriously, what's not to like about this plugin? Make sure to grab yours now or later, since it's free.